This is how landing in a sandstorm looks. This Russian helicopter can lift an entire plane on its own. While landing on an aircraft carrier in 2016, the arresting cable broke and a plane overran the carrier, but it managed to do a very impressive save. The 757 came in too fast and couldn't stop in time in order to exit the runway, so it had to reverse on its own. While standing completely still, this Boeing 747 still managed to lift its nose off the ground on its own due to very heavy winds. There's a road in Gibraltar that goes straight across an active runway, and each time a plane comes in for a landing, it has to close. And finally, this pilot flying through a gap in the clouds. And that's it for this week. I hope you guys enjoyed. All the sources will be linked in the description as usual. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll see you guys in the next video.